Hey there, fellow marketers. Today, I'm going to unlock the secrets of Google Ads in just 3 minutes. Yep, you heard that right. So, let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about why Google Ads is such a game changer. Google processes over 3.5 billion searches per day. Imagine tapping into that vast audience. With Google Ads, you get to show your ads to people actively searching for what you offer. It's like fishing in a pond where all the fish are hungry for your bait. Pretty cool, right? Okay, secret number 1, keyword research. This is the backbone of any successful Google Ads campaign. You need to know what words and phrases your potential customers are typing into that Google search bar. Use tools like Google's Keyword Planner to find high-volume, low-competition keywords. This will help you target the right audience and get more bang for your buck. Next up, secret number 2, ad quality. Your ad's quality score can make or break your campaign. Google rewards high-quality ads with better placements and lower costs. So, how do you improve your quality score? Focus on relevance, landing page experience, and click-through rate. Make sure your ad copy is compelling and matches the intent of the user's search. And don't forget to optimize your landing page for a seamless user experience. Moving on, secret number 3, ad extensions. These are additional pieces of information you can add to your ads. They can include things like your phone number, location, or even additional links to specific pages on your website. Ad extensions make your ads more useful and can significantly improve your click-through rate. Plus, they don't cost extra, so make sure to use them. Now let's talk about secret number 4, negative keywords. This is a powerful tool to refine your targeting. By adding negative keywords, you ensure your ads don't show up for irrelevant searches. This saves you money and increases the chances of your ads being seen by the right people. For example, if you're selling high-end watches, you might want to add cheap as a negative keyword. You don't want to attract bargain hunters if you're selling luxury items. Finally, secret number 5, continuous optimization. Google Ads is not a set-it-and-forget-it platform. You need to regularly review and adjust your campaigns. Look at your performance data, see what's working and what's not, and make the necessary tweaks. This will help you maximize your ROI and keep your campaigns running smoothly. And there you have it. The secrets of Google Ads in just 3 minutes. Remember, keyword research, ad quality, ad extensions, negative keywords, and continuous optimization. Master these, and you'll be well on your way to Google Ads success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more marketing tips. Until next time, keep those campaigns optimized and those conversions rolling in.